Hello everybody, here we are, Dragon Train one more time. I haven't played this version yet, so excited to try it. 500 in max bets. I hope everyone's doing good today. We're doing good, we're feeling lucky. Here we are. Max bets at a penny. Oh, okay. Those are some good numbers to start seeing. Okay, money back. All right. Oh, 4 more. That would have been a good start. Is she the wild? The beautiful, nice lady? I think she is. Oh, 4 more. Oof, oof. Oh, he may be the wild, actually. Was he the bonus symbol? Okay. Yeah, that is the bonus symbol, I'm guessing. So, trying max bet here. That number looked really nice. The 811 888. Lucky number. Let's win that lucky number. Oh, 2 more? That's for the wrong 2 more. Maybe 1 cent is not showing us much, so let's go here. Okay. We're in it. Come on. Let's make something magical happen now, people. Come on. Let's get some trains and things. Okay, so this is the free game, so. Alright, so let's see what it does. So each circling scary birds around the sun award sticky reel. Okay. It's kind of like the other one. Okay. Oh, aces. Oh no. We don't know what it's going to be yet. Alright, many more. Okay. So free spins are not as good as the other one on here. So, I mean, we'll see. Because it's not guaranteed we get anything in there. Kings, you random kings. Oh, come on, Dragon Balls. Fireball. Oh my god, stupid kings again. Balls, please. Balls. Yes, that is huge. Come on. That's the one we wanted to see. That is the one we wanted. Come on, let's get that. Please, let's do this right now. Come on, people. Let's go. Mini, our favorite, our absolute favorite, but we want many more minis and a dragon train. Oh, come on, don't do this to us. You know what we need. Dragon train. Oh, I guess we got the dragon train, but not the one we were looking for down there. Okay. Bonus round went from scariness to decentness. It's so nice to get the dragon train in this. We've done it before. Oh, we're still in the bonus round. Do it again. Okay. Oh, balls. How crazy. Oh my god, worthless aces. This isn't poker. Come on now. That would have been so crazy to get it again. I've seen it, I think, in the past, so. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, 1 more. Oof, oof. This is the hot denomination. 2 cents. Lucky. Oh, 4 more. Mix and match. This may be the hot denomination, but we'd like to see some more back-to-back bonuses. Okay, we upped the bet obviously to 5. Okay. Where was the nice lady there? Two more? 2 total is not what we wanted. Beautiful magical potions. A potion master. Oh, 2 more. Oh my god, I asked for 2 more. So incorrectly. 4 more? Oof. 4 more. I'll just get multiple bonus rounds, please. Should we try something? What's this? Crows are flying. Oh, 2 more. Oh, the guy blocked us. I like if the 3 stacks keep falling in, but oh, no. 4 more? No. Oh, 4 more? It was our favorite. Those are good minis up there, okay? Oh, 3 more, please, at the end. Oh, why not? Oh, 4 more? We can make it happen, right? 2 more of these little guys. Oh, I asked. Oh, there he was right there. That's really, really rude, I would say. Okay, we don't want that. Let's get it out of our system. 4 more? Oof, oof. Some kings, $3 back. 2 more? Keep getting 2 total. Keep getting 2 total. Deja vu. What's gonna go on now? Oh, 5 more? Should we try max bet at 1 cent and see what happens? 2 more. She could have kept going. Okay. She could have kept going. Story still checks out. Okay. Oh, that would have been a nice one to drop, right? 3. Oof, we're trying to will it so hard, people. Oh, come on, you could have kept going, dude. Come on, Archer. Oh, 25, we like it. Okay. It's a good line. We want to see that dragon train. Let's will it into existence. Everyone send your energy. Back here. Let's try some rapid fires. Get those rapid fires out. We're trying our very best here. Oh, 2 more. Nope. 2 more. Por favor. Nope. What do you guys think? Is this a hard game? Have you had success with it? I know it was out in Australia for a long time, but we have it here in Vegas now. Oh, 3, it would be impossible. That would have been good though. So that was kind of lame. One more. Oh my goodness, you could have. You could have. You absolutely should have. I didn't say one thing, and I'm mad now. Let's do this now. Mom bonus. We can use one here, you know. Huh. Someone send me a lifeline? What's going on here? That was rude. Oof, that was also very rude. I would like something to happen, but it's not. I mean, it did, but then now it's not. This was our only lucky bet so far, so let's go back here. One more, please. It's so painful. It's so painful. 5 more? Whew. It's so painful when it doesn't come in and you just really... What was I just saying? You know what I was saying. It's so painful, but 4 more? And it won't be. We want to see these little dragon balls. Come on now. 2 more of these. 4 more. Oof, oof, oof. Why? Why is this? Why is this happening? We're trying our best to put on a show for YouTube. Just absolute. That got 1 more bet out of me. 3. Oh, you could have done 3 again at the end. Why not? Oh man. Oh no, it was $3 bet that got us last time. Right? $3. Not sure what's going on now though. I mean, we tried our best all throughout every single denomination. Oh, okay. That was an accident, but if it worked, it wouldn't have been. It would have been just proven geniusness. What is this? So now we're at 100 lines. Slots can be so mean, people. Let me just do this for you. Slots can be very mean and very, very cruel. Slots are very mean and cruel. I think we all know that, but it doesn't have to be all the time. It can just be very, very fun and exciting, but when you're just getting absolutely destroyed session after session, video after video, this is the reality. This is the reality of gambling. This is the reality. There was a lot of hope to start. Oh, 4 more? Hope, bring the hope back. Bring the hope back, please. Please bring the hope back. Please give us some hope right now. I mean, even winning $200 back. We put in 5, right? Yeah, so. You could just give us one more. I'm starting to get really crushed. This is mentally draining, and this person's going crazy behind me. Oh my god, just one bonus. One more bonus. I mean, what is this situation here? I need a manager here because I need the return to player is terrible right now. What is this? Oh my god, what the heck is this? Oh god. And that's what you call rapid fire tilt, people. That's what you call rapid fire tilt. I don't even know what we need here. We need a train. We need a train to get even, probably. Okay, I just felt the whole thing. Why not? Drop a train in there, please. Yeah, not great. Put in $500, $600, $700 in. Put in 500 starter, and we had some wins in there, so we spent about $700, $800 or something, and we get $22 bonus after all that. I'm beginning to not like Dragon Train, people. Oh, I thought we were at 100 lines that whole time. Did it change it back? That's really weird. 3. I am mentally and spiritually and everything crushed. Let me do this for you guys. Don't do it yourselves. Pain. Absolute silly pain. Do it again. Come on, Dragon Train. Pain. Just gotta whine a little bit, and hopefully this is the comeback, people. Dragon Train, please. Dragon Train, please. One time. Alright, I'm gonna will this, people. The anticipation. This is the bonus we've been waiting for. I believe that it's gonna be at least $400, $500, okay? We need it. We like it, and we deserve it. Let's go. For everybody, okay? Bigger ones, bigger ones, bigger ones. Train. We'll see a Dragon Train. Come on. Come back. Make the comeback real. Make the comeback real. Everyone wants to see a Dragon Train. Come on. Train. Oof. Come on. We need that Dragon Train to show up. What is it? Like 1 in every million minor? Okay, $100. Okay, you know what we need to. We just need that train still. I really, really, really want to show it to you guys. Let's go. Come on. I'll just show you the grand. I'll just show you guys the grand instead. Drop the train. Drop the train. Let's show them the grand, people. Come on. Come on. Dragon Train. Oh my goodness, it keeps saving us to the last second. None of them are flashing, but we can definitely make it happen still. Oh, the Dragon Train flew by at the end. It could have just dropped, why not? It's still a pretty good hit, but... Won back some of our money. I mean, I know for this bet amount it's good, but yeah, we'll take it. We appreciate it. We'll do a couple quick back-to-backs and then skedaddle. 2 more? That's for the wrong 2 more. You could have done this. Alright, I think we're gonna call it there, people. That was a lot of fun. Down a little bit, but got to show you guys some bonuses, the volatility of this game, and that's why I do this, to show you the ups, the downs, the fun, so you don't have to always, unless you want to be like, alright, this is a game I want to play, and that's what we're doing these videos for. I love you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.